Welcome to Git Essential Training. My name is Kevin Skoglund. In this course, we're going to learn how to use Git to manage files and source code. We will look at the fundamental concepts behind all version control systems, and then gain an understanding of the architecture that Git uses. We will use Git to track changes to files and source code, whether those changes are adding, editing, deleting, or moving files. And we'll discuss how to write clear messages that describe the changes that you made, and learn to compare different versions of a file to see a line-by-line comparison of what changed. We will learn how to undo changes that you've made, even if you already recorded those changes in Git. We will create branches of our code to try new ideas without altering the main project, and then we'll merge those changes into the project when those features are finished. And last, we'll see how to use a remote repository to enable collaboration with other Git users. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or if you have some prior experience. We're going to cover all the fundamentals that you need to use Git for source code management. So let's get started learning about Git.